Craving a wood-fired pizza in your own backyard? We've fired up the hottest outdoor pizza ovens of 2025 so you can skip the guesswork and serve up perfect pies every time. Whether you're a pizza purist or just want to impress your friends at your next cookout, we've got you covered. Let's see which oven truly delivers that chef's kiss. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which oven is best for you. Your feedback helps us keep making these reviews better. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Gozney Dome. If you're looking for a dual-fuel pizza oven that does way more than just pizza, the Gozney Dome is a top contender. This oven is larger than most with an 18-inch depth and a 16-inch wide opening. Big enough to fit two 12-inch cast iron skillets or easily turn a 16-inch pizza. That extra space really opens up your options, whether you're cooking for a crowd or just want to experiment with different recipes. With a few extra accessories, the Dome transforms into a truly versatile outdoor oven. You can sear steaks, roast vegetables, bake bread with the steam injection accessory, or even smoke meat by using the oven door. It's designed for anyone who wants more than just pizza from their outdoor oven. The build quality is impressive, and the temperature control is spot on, so you can really dial in your cooking. However, keep in mind that the Gozney Dome is heavy and substantial. Weighing in at 128 pounds, it's not portable like some of the smaller models, so you'll need a dedicated space in your backyard. Mounting it on a rolling cart with locking wheels can help with mobility, but it's definitely not meant for travel or tailgating. If you're serious about outdoor cooking and want an oven that can handle a variety of dishes, the Gozney Dome is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, spacious, and built for more than just pizza. For anyone who wants to take their backyard cooking to the next level, this oven is hard to beat. Number 2. Cru Oven Model 32 G2. Made in Portugal, the Cru 32 is a wood-fired pizza oven built for high-temperature cooking. It can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for Neapolitan-style pizzas with crispy crusts and perfectly cooked toppings. The built-in thermometer on the front helps you monitor the heat, and with a well-built fire, it's ready to cook in about 20 minutes. The oven's removable dome top is made from ceramic fiber-insulated stainless steel, while the base features two cordite baking stones, wide enough for a 15-inch pizza. It comes with a half door for high heat cooking and a full door for baking over coals. Once your fire's going and pushed to the back, the half door keeps the heat in while allowing enough airflow to maintain the flames. You'll need a metal pizza peel to move pizzas in and out, and unfortunately, the Cru 32 doesn't include one or an ember rake for managing the fire. That's a bit of a letdown, but it's easy enough to pick up those accessories separately. Despite these missing extras, the Cru 32 is easy to set up, fun to use, and delivers delicious pizzas. It's also versatile enough for baking bread or cooking full meals in a cast iron skillet, making it a great addition to any backyard. If you love the ritual of building a wood fire and want that authentic wood-fired flavor, the Cru 32 is a solid pick. Number 3. Ooni Koda 12. There's a lot to love about the gas-powered Ooni Koda 12. It delivers pizzas nearly as perfect as our top pick, but at a more affordable price point, making it a great entry-level option for most people. The Ooni Koda's heat source is positioned at the back, giving your food direct access to the flame. We appreciated the removable cooking stone, which you can flip for easy cleaning, and the foldable legs that make storage simple and compact. It's lightweight and easy to move, so you can take it to a friend's house or store it away when you're not using it. The oven heats up fast, reaching 500 degrees in just 5 minutes and hitting 900 degrees in about 25 minutes. Neapolitan-style pizzas cook in just 90 seconds, coming out with beautifully charred crusts and a perfectly speckled bottom. It also recovers heat quickly, so you can cook multiple pizzas back-to-back without waiting around. Plus, it's great for searing steak or charring vegetables in a cast iron skillet. We did experience some issues with our first Ooni Koda. The flames went out after a few uses and the ignition knob broke. However, Ooni's customer service was excellent. They sent a replacement knob, and when that didn't fix it, they sent a new oven. The replacement worked flawlessly, confirming our first unit was just a rare dud. Number 4. Ooni Koda 2 Pro, 2nd generation, 18-inch gas-powered. Outdoor pizza oven. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro is a powerhouse pizza oven with an 18-inch interior, perfect for extra-large pizzas or using cast-iron trays for other dishes. Its design is similar to other Ooni Koda models, but you'll need a sturdy, large stainless steel table to set it up safely. This oven reaches up to 950 degrees, and its tapered gas burner system ensures even cooking in just 90 seconds. We especially love the self-cleaning feature, which uses high heat to burn off residue, making cleanup a breeze. One downside, it's a bit slow to heat, especially in cooler or windy weather. We often settled for cooking at around 850 degrees, but pizza still finished in 90 seconds with a couple of quick turns using a pizza peel. The results? Bubbling mozzarella and a beautifully charred crust every time. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro is easy to use with a side temperature knob and a companion app for monitoring temps and accessing recipes. While you can't control the oven remotely, the app is packed with inspiration, including a delicious s'mores pizza. For a smaller option, the Ooni Koda 2 offers a 14-inch cooking area, a thicker pizza stone, and improved heat retention over the Koda 12. Number 5. Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven, wood and gas. We had high expectations for the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven, given the brand's reputation for quality fire pits and grills. This sleek stainless steel oven didn't disappoint. It even took the best overall spot from the Gozney Rock Box in our tests. The pie features a slightly larger opening than most, making it easy to maneuver and perfect for 12-inch pizzas. It's a multi-fuel oven, so you can cook with wood or use the separate gas burner. There's a bit of a learning curve with wood, but the results are worth it. The pizza stone heats up fast and holds its temperature well, reaching 780 degrees in just 20 minutes with propane. It also cools and reheats quickly, making back-to-back pizzas a breeze. We noticed a small gap in the pizza stone, but it didn't affect cooking and actually makes cleaning easier. The oven's convection-style airflow ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked pizzas. At just 30 pounds, the pie is lightweight and portable, great for camping or gatherings. Cleanup is simple, just burn off residue and wipe it down. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. So, which is the best? For unbeatable performance, versatility, and pro-level results, the Gozney Dome takes the crown. If you want the ultimate backyard pizza experience, this is the oven to beat. Let us know which one you'd pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.